In today's video, I am going to teach you how to earn money from Freshsales. To begin earning money, the first thing you need to do is join the Freshworks affiliate program. You should do this by using the official Freshworks website, not by third-party sites. This matters because the official program will give you the correct eligibility, the right tracking, and the proper way to receive your affiliate referral link. Take a moment to navigate to the Freshworks website and look for the affiliate program section. Follow the prompts to join, and make sure you are signing up for the Freshworks affiliate program that relates to Freshsales promotions. Next, after you have joined, you will want to log in your account. Once you are logged in, navigate your dashboard. Your dashboard is the control center for everything related to your affiliate activity. It usually contains access to links, performance data, and commission details. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know where to find your link and where to check your results later. Now that you are inside your dashboard, you should promote your unique referral link. This referral link is what connects customer signups back to you, so it is the key part of the process. You should share your referral link through your website, social media, or marketing content. Choose the channels where your audience is most likely to pay attention. If you have a blog, you can include the link in relevant posts. If you use social media, you can include it in captions or in a dedicated promotional message. The goal is to encourage people to click through and sign up using your link, so the revenue they generate can be attributed to you. Once people start signing up through your referral link, the next part is understanding when you will earn commissions. In the program, you click Earn Commissions based on the revenue generated by customers who sign up through your link. This means your earnings are tied to the revenue from those customers, not just the number of signups. It is important to read that commission policy inside your dashboard or within the affiliate section, because it clarifies how the program calculates earnings and what qualifies as commissionable revenue. After you have shared your link and started getting potential signups, you will want to track performance. For that, you should click the Reporting tab to see performance. This tab is where you can monitor how your referral link is performing over time. Look for the key metrics the dashboard provides, such as activity status, conversions, and revenue-related results. Checking reporting helps you understand what is working and whether your promotion efforts are generating signups that lead to commissions. As you review your results in reporting, you can also plan your next actions based on the data you see. If the performance is strong, you can continue with the channels you already use. If performance is lower than expected, you can adjust the way you share the link within the same general approach, since the link and the program tracking are what drive the commission reporting. Finally, the last step is partnership. You should discover the channel partner program and apply for it. This is separate from the affiliate approach, and it can offer another pathway to working more directly within the Freshworks ecosystem. The key here is to find the correct partnership or channel partner section on the Freshworks website and follow the application steps. Be sure to review the requirements before you apply so you understand what they expect from partners. And that covers everything you need to know. By joining the Freshworks affiliate program, using your unique referral link, understanding how commissions are earned, tracking performance and reporting, and exploring the channel partner program, you will have a complete roadmap for earning money from Freshsales. And that is all there is to it.